Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to securely upload files using Etho Protocol's IPFS system. First, head over to the Etho Protocol upload page. This is where all the magic happens for storing your files in a decentralized, censorship-resistant network. Once you click Launch Upload App, MetaMask window will pop up and ask you to connect to Protocol RPC. As you see, I have already uploaded some files. Click the Upload button to open your File Explorer. Customize your upload settings. Write a name. Choose date until it will be stored. Select the file you'd like to upload. It could be a document, an image, or even a video. You can adjust the replication factor to ensure your file is stored across multiple nodes for enhanced reliability. When you're ready, click Upload to begin. Confirm transaction in MetaMask. Wait few seconds. The secure transfer of your file to Etho Protocol's IPFS network done. You can check files by clicking on it. Here is my file. You can send this link to anyone to view the file. Next video we will explain how to encrypt. We will also learn how to extend storing date, changing owner. Thanks for watching.